Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a 22-24 remake of this 44-inch brushed nickel Home Decorators Collection Ashby Park ceiling fan. This one of two. This is the one that's installed in the living room here in the cabin. Replaced the JCPenney Alaska Hugger. This one has been installed for a year now. I thought it was two. I thought the Alaska and this has been only installed for a year now, so well, that's been in the garage for a year, and this has been installed for a year now. It's a little bit dusty. This is the only one that really gets run. The bedroom ones don't get run too often. But yeah, reversal from, I forget the blade finishes. I think light gray washed oak is that one, and this is blackened oak. Has the pull chains, these Westinghouse ones that I got from Westinghouse Turbo Swirl. I pulled them off of Westinghouse Turbo Swirl from a dumpster. I didn't save the fan because I didn't know. So yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Here's the light kit. I believe it is set on the 2700K setting. This is a color tunable, color temperature tunable light kit. Goes from 5,000, 3,000, 2700K. I'm pretty sure I have it set on the 2700K. There's the light. Go ahead and turn it on low. A slight breeze from it, not too bad. Here's low with the light on. Go ahead and bump her up to medium. Can definitely feel some more air from it. In my opinion, I think these are actually pretty good. Some people say these are just junky modern fans, which I guess they kind of are, but I don't know. These actually do work pretty well. Medium with the light on. Go ahead and turn it off. Turn it on high. Can definitely hear it moving air around. It does shake a little bit. It's throwing good air, as always. It's high with the light on. And I'll just go ahead and do spin down here. He has a good spin out time, that's for sure. I think we're getting close here. And there we go. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later with the next video. Bye.